Hi, welcome to the Sugar Chocolate channel. It's the middle of summer and the sun is beaming outside.
This 3-ingredient slushie will help cool you down on those hot days. It's healthy and delicious. For your ingredients, you'll need 2 kiwis, a pint of strawberries, tropical fruit juice, and some ice.
For your materials, you will need a blender, some cups, a measuring cup, and a knife. Next, you will wash your strawberries and your kiwis, and of course, wash your hands.
Next, you will cut your kiwi, and then you will peel it. You can use a knife to peel it or your hand. If you're using a knife, make sure you have adult supervision.
Next, you're going to cut your strawberries into slices. And then you cut your kiwi into slices and put it in a measuring cup.
Next, you will measure 1.5 cups of ice. Then you will place the ice inside of your
So you're going to pour your fruit into the blender and then use 2 cups of tropical fruit juice. And then you'll pour your juice in, but make sure you do it very carefully.
Once all your ingredients are in the blender, put the top on the blender and blend. Lastly, you will pour the slushie into your cups. You can add straws and strawberries or even tiny umbrellas.
And this is our final look.
Thank you for watching our YouTube video. Leave a comment and tell us what you would like to see us make next. Turn on our post notifications so you get notified when we make a new YouTube video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Thank you for watching our YouTube video.
Well, thirsty.